Master your Gmail inbox, the ultimate guide to Gmail's new subscription tool. Navigating the depths of your Gmail, a comprehensive guide to taming subscription emails. Is your Gmail, https://www.tomsguidegmail inbox overrun with an endless stream of subscription emails? Shopping deals, newsletters, app notifications, and promotional messages can quickly accumulate, leaving you feeling overwhelmed. Enter Gmail's subscription management tool, a game changer for inbox organization. It provides a centralized dashboard where you can monitor and manage every sender's activity, giving you unparalleled control over your inbox clutter. No more scouring individual emails for elusive unsubscribe links. With just a few clicks, you can unsubscribe from unwanted senders effortlessly. Whether it's excessive retailer emails or forgotten newsletter signups, Gmail's updated features streamline the process of reclaiming your inbox. Let's dive into how you can harness the power of Gmail's subscription management tool. Accessing Gmail's subscription management hub. Image a copy Tom's Guide. To access Gmail's subscription management hub, navigate to your inbox and click on More, located under Inbox and Sent on the left-hand menu. Select Manage Subscriptions to unveil a comprehensive view of all your recurring senders. On mobile devices, Android or iOS, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to expand the menu and locate Manage Subscriptions. This centralized dashboard automatically organizes your recurring senders, eliminating the need for manual inbox searches. Reviewing recurring senders by frequency. Image Tom's Guide. Gmail sorts your subscription senders based on their email frequency, allowing you to identify the most prolific senders at a glance. You'll see how many emails each sender has sent recently, providing a clear picture of which subscriptions dominate your inbox. Click or tap on any sender to preview their recent messages and gain insight into their content. Daily or weekly email senders will be listed prominently, making them easy targets for unsubscribing. Instantly unsubscribing from unwanted emails. Image Tom's Guide. To unsubscribe from a sender, simply click the unsubscribe button on the right side of their entry. Gmail will prompt you to confirm your decision. If you're certain, click unsubscribe. Again, to complete the process. This streamlined approach saves time compared to searching for unsubscribe links within individual emails. With just 2 clicks or taps, you can unsubscribe from unwanted senders swiftly. Creating filters for enhanced email organization. Image Tom's Guide. For subscriptions you wish to retain but want to manage more efficiently, open one of their emails. Click the 3 dots in the top right corner, then select Filter Messages like this. Choose Create Filter to customize how future emails from that sender are handled. You can opt to automatically archive them, mark them as read, delete them, or apply labels such as newsletter or promo. Manage your filters at any time by clicking the gear icon, selecting See All Settings, and navigating to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Using search to uncover hidden subscriptions. Image Tom's Guide. Type unsubscribe into Gmail's search bar at the top of the interface to locate subscription emails that may have escaped the management tool's radar. Manually sift through individual emails to find their unsubscribe buttons. This method serves as a valuable backup when the subscription management feature misses certain subscriptions, helping you track down older or infrequent senders. Check out One Inbox to rule them all, how to transfer emails between Gmail accounts. https://www.tomsguide.com/computing/email. How to transfer emails between Gmail accounts. Here's how you can do it too. Drop down the list of all the email addresses and where you can make sure they are actually safe. To safeguard your emails from unauthorized access, don't overlook this lesser-known Gmail feature that enables you to encrypt sensitive emails. https://www.tomsguide.com/how-to-use-Gmail-confidential mode. Stay informed with Tom's Guide's latest news reviews and tips by following us on Google News, https://news.google.com/publications/CAAQAGUL. Master your inbox. How to manage all subscriptions in Gmail. Take control of your Gmail inbox, the ultimate guide to managing subscription overload. Feeling overwhelmed by an endless stream of subscription emails flooding your inbox? You're not the only one struggling with this modern-day nuisance. But here's some good news. Gmail has introduced a powerful new tool that could revolutionize how you handle those persistent subscription messages. This comprehensive solution addresses every type of recurring email you receive, from retail promotions and newsletters to service updates and shopping alerts. But here's where it gets interesting. There's actually more than one way to tackle this problem. Let's explore how to reclaim your inbox sanity. Master the new subscription manager. Accessing this feature varies by platform. Desktop users look for more in the left sidebar, beneath Inbox and Sent. Then select Manage Subscriptions. Can't spot it? The menu hides behind 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. Mobile users, both Android and iOS, tap the 3-line menu icon top left, then choose Manage Subscriptions. Once inside, you'll discover a frequency-sorted list of your email subscriptions. You can track how often each sender contacts you, preview their messages, and, here's the game changer, unsubscribe with just one click. Ready to cut ties with a sender? Simply click Unsubscribe or tap the envelope minus icon. After confirming your choice, you're done, though the changes might take a few days to fully process. Advanced subscription management techniques. Here's a lesser-known approach. Gmail's powerful filtering system. Open any subscription email, click the 3 dots menu, and select Filter Messages like this. This opens up a world of possibilities. You can automatically archive, mark as read, delete or organize messages with custom labels. Pro tip: search for unsubscribe in your Gmail to surface most subscription emails at once. This manual method serves as an excellent backup when the subscription manager doesn't catch everything. Manage your filters anytime through Settings, gear icon, see all settings, filters, and blocked addresses. Here you can edit, adjust, or remove any filters you've created. But here's the controversial part. While these tools are powerful, some argue they're just band-aids for a deeper problem: our tendency to oversubscribe in the first place. What do you think? Are these management tools enabling better inbox organization, or are they just helping us avoid addressing our digital hoarding habits? Share your thoughts in the comments. How do you handle subscription overload? Have these Gmail tools actually helped you maintain a cleaner inbox, or do you have a different approach altogether? Secret Gmail hack. Instantly find delete all bulk emails in your inbox. Imagine this. Your Gmail inbox is overflowing with newsletters and promotional emails, making it hard to find the important messages. But here's where it gets controversial. What if you could easily identify and manage all these bulk emails with just a few clicks? Gmail has a hidden gem that can help you do just that. Let's dive in. Table of contents. 1. Uncover all newsletters in your inbox. 2. Reclaim valuable space in your Gmail account. Gmail recently introduced a feature that allows you to unsubscribe from bulk emails with minimal effort. This is a game changer for decluttering your inbox and focusing on what truly matters. By accessing the Manage Subscriptions page in Gmail, you'll see a list of all bulk email senders, sorted by the number of messages received from each. With a single click, you can unsubscribe from any sender, making your inbox a cleaner, more organized space. Uncover all newsletters in your inbox. But here's the part most people miss. What if you want a comprehensive list of every email, newsletter, and promotional email that has landed in your Gmail inbox, sorted by the date they were received? There's an undocumented Gmail search operator that can help you with that. Head to your Gmail search box and type the following query. Label, text, unsub. The unsub is a system label in Gmail that is automatically applied to emails that Gmail considers as bulk emails. This includes newsletters, promotional emails, and other types of mass mailings. By using this search operator, you can quickly filter out all these bulk emails and get a clear view of what's cluttering your inbox. Reclaim valuable space in your Gmail account now. Let's talk about reclaiming space. Combine the secret Gmail unsubscribed operator with the larger than operator to filter out bulk emails that are larger than a certain size. For example, you can use the following query. Label 'unsub larger than 100K. This will show you all the bulk emails in your inbox that are larger than 100 KB, which typically includes newsletters and promotional emails. By sending these emails to the trash bin, you can reclaim some valuable space in your Gmail account. This is particularly useful if you're running low on storage and need to free up some room. And this is the part that could spark some debate. Should Gmail make these search operators more widely known, or is it better to keep them as